Why do 90% of O-level students know Shah Waliullah's name? Because his reforms changed the course of Islamic history in South Asia. Let's find out how. Born in Delhi in 1703, Shah Waliullah grew up surrounded by scholarship. His father was a respected religious teacher. By his late 20s, he'd already mastered Islamic studies and traveled to Makkah and Medina to deepen his knowledge. Back in India, things were tough. Muslims were divided, the Mughal Empire was crumbling, and there was a loss of unity and justice. Shah Waliullah believed the answer was a return to the core Islamic teachings of the Quran and Sunnah. He wanted to unite all Muslim sects, promote justice, and reform society through education. His biggest move? Translating the Quran into Persian, making it accessible to ordinary people, not just scholars. He wrote over 50 books, including Hujjatullah al-Baligha, explaining the reasons behind Islamic laws. He also worked to bring Sunni and Shia Muslims together and even played a part in politics, inviting Ahmad Shah Abdali to fight the Marathas, which led to the historic Third Battle of Panipat. His work didn't end with him. His sons and followers spread his ideas, inspiring later reformers like Syed Ahmed Barelvi and Allama Iqbal. Today, Shah Waliullah is remembered as a powerful force for unity, justice, and Islamic renewal, proof that one person's ideas can shape a whole society. Subscribe for more O-level Pakistan studies content.